build an electric stunt buggy. And I did say that I might look at trying to make it radio controlled for a bit of fun. Now, just adding an ESC to drive the motor is pretty easy. Motor just sits there, got a pulley on it, rubber band, and that spins the back wheel. But to put steering on the front, obviously we can't use this straight through axle. I've taken one of the wheels off because I've already done some work on doing this. If I can get that off now, yeah. So we are going to have to cut some of this away. And I'm working on a standard radio controlled front end from one of the scrap radio controlled cars I've got. And I've already looked at putting the wheel on that stub axle. Now, the normal wheels on here held in place with a screw, and they spin on this axle. So the wheel stops, the screw stops the wheel falling off, but it spins on there. So what I've done, obviously this one, if I can get it off again, which I can't. Oh, I remember when we were on holiday, he'd put the wheels on before putting, there should be a little plastic insert on that side. Oh, and I couldn't get them apart when we were on holiday because I didn't have any pliers or anything. So that, if I put that on there, it won't spin. So I've 3D printed a little stub axle that will spin on there if we take that screw back off. Stub axle is not quite the word really, that's probably more hub, wheel hub. Anyway, that will spin on there, okay. Push that on there. Just a bit big, but yeah, it's on there. So that's going to spin on there, okay. Put the screw back in. And get it through there. Might be a little bit too tight. Okay. I think I might take that off because there's a little bit of 3D filament fouling it. Yeah, I need to clean that a little bit. Right, try that again. Okay, and I printed that bit to go in there. A tight fit. Okay, so that's our front wheels with steering. You can probably tell I'm just looking at toy grade radio control here rather than going for full hobby grade. So I'm going to have to cut that about a bit. Actually goes that way around. Stick that in there. Right, I've trimmed the front a little bit. That fits in there quite nicely. One of them. The battery. Right, so that's our wires for the steering. Okay. Right, all soldered up. Steering's the right way. This thing is struggling. It hasn't got enough power to move. But this kit is designed with different sized pulleys for the back. That needs to go over the pulley on the motor. So stick that on there and see if it'll move now. Whoa. Right, I've given it a new motor from my stock of scrap motors. And now it moves. That'll do. I do have plenty of old toy electric motors. I've got a load more in a big box upstairs. This is just the small box. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.